coverage continues again on that Supreme Court ruling. Judge Andrew Napolitano, former New Jersey Superior Court judge, joins us now. Judge, welcome back to National Report. Just your thoughts again on what this means, these historic nature of this ruling, essentially as we head into the height of this pre-election cycle.
Well, I think the Supreme Court really had no choice but to do the right thing. The Constitution can't mean different things in different states. It can't have one meaning in Maine and another meaning in Colorado and another meaning in Minnesota, where, by the way, the courts all did different things for different reasons based on the same section of the 14th Amendment. What is interesting is that the court said Congress can resolve this, and it didn't say how. So Congress, of course, when it meets to count the electoral votes, could decide that somebody whose electoral votes are in there participated in an insurrection, and therefore they're not going to count that person's votes. I think that would be unusual and strange, but the court did not foreclose that. Nor did the court foreclose. In fact, it practically invited the Congress to come down with legislation that would say, what does participate in or aid and abet an insurrection mean? Can you just be accused of it? Well, Trump hasn't even been accused of it. You have to be indicted for it and convicted. He hasn't been indicted, and therefore he hasn't been convicted. How far does this have to go? Not up to the court, not up to the states, up to Congress. So consistent with its prior rulings, that it will have the final say on the Constitution. All these kerfuffles about whether Donald Trump's name can appear on the primary ballots, all of them are over.
We